Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Anil Physics Academy. In today's video, we are going to learn the magnitude of addition of two vectors and also its direction. We will find out a formula for finding the magnitude of addition of two vectors and also its direction. Let there be two vectors. This is vector A. Let this be vector A and this be vector B. Now let us add these two vectors by the help of parallelogram rule of vector addition. So first of all we will draw these two vectors by their tails coinciding. So this is vector A and with the tail of B coinciding with tail of A, we draw vector B. This is vector B. Let the point where the tail of A and B meet is, let us call this A and this is B, this is C. Now from C we draw a line parallel to vector A. Also from B we draw a line parallel to vector B. These two parallel lines meet at a point, this is called D. So the A plus B is this vector AD is vector A plus vector B. Now we do some constructions. Let us extend this line, this vector here, and we draw a perpendicular from D to E here. This is point E, and let the angle between the two vectors be theta. Theta is the angle between two vectors. It is angle between vector A and B. Since this line AC is parallel to BD, so this angle is also theta. And as we can see, this is a parallelogram. ABCD is parallelogram. So parallel sides are equal. So AE AC is equal to BD, having magnitude B. So this is B is equal to B cos theta, and DE is equal to B sin theta. Now the sum of vectors A and vector B is vector AD, and length of vector AD is its magnitude. So we will find the length of vector AD and this will be the magnitude of the vector A plus B. Now AD, see angle here, triangle ADE is a right angle triangle. So we write like this in triangle ADE. So from Pythagoras theorem, AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square, or AD square is equal to AE can be written as AB plus BE. AB plus B whole square plus D square. See, AB has magnitude A. BE is equal to B cos theta whole square plus D can be written as B sin theta square. So here we can write A square plus B square cos square theta plus 2AB cos theta plus B square sin square theta. See, here we can write A square plus b square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta plus 2ab cos theta. Now we write here AD square is equal to A square. Here we take b square common in these two, from these two terms, plus b square cos theta plus sin square theta plus 2ab cos theta is equal to A square plus, here it is equal to 1, cos square theta plus sin square theta plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. So AD square is equal to, now AD is equal to root under A square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. AD is the magnitude of vector A plus b, that is magnitude of vector A plus b is equal to A square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta under square root. This is the formula for finding the magnitude of addition of two vectors. Now we will find the direction of formula for the direction of addition of two vectors. Let this vector A plus b make an angle alpha with A. If we find out angle alpha, then this will give the direction of vector A plus b. So tan alpha, here we can write tan alpha is equal to, because in triangle it is right angle triangle ADE, tan alpha is equal to DE by AE, DE by AE is equal to DE by AE, it can be written as AB plus B is equal to D can be written as B sin theta. AB है A plus B cos theta. So tan alpha is equal to B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. This is formula for the direction, and we can also find this angle, the A plus B the angle A plus B make with the vector B. This is, let this vector be beta. If you find out this angle, then it will be come out tan beta is equal to A sin theta by B plus A cos theta. So if we find out any of these two angles, alpha or beta, it will give the direction of the vector A plus B. So these are the formulas to find the magnitude and direction of addition of two vectors. Now let us take an problem. Let there be two vectors, here a vector A and vector B, and let the angle between them theta is equal to 90 degree. Let the magnitude of vector A be 25 and magnitude of vector B 60. Then what is the magnitude of vector A plus B? So we will apply the formula as we recently derived, that is A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. So we will put the values. What is the value of A? This is magnitude of vector A. It is 25 square plus 60 square plus 2 into 25 into 60 cos 90 degree. As we know, here 25 square has a value 225 plus 3600. As we know, cos 90 has value 0, so this term becomes 0. So A plus B, it means magnitude of vector A plus B is equal to root under 5 2 8 3 and this is equal to 65. So the magnitude of these two vectors, addition of these two vectors is 65, or we can say that we add it. This is vector a plus b. This has magnitude is equal to 65. Now what is the direction of it? Let it make an angle alpha with vector b. Then tan alpha is equal to it will be b sin theta by a sin theta or b plus a cos theta. One thing remember, we have to write sin theta or cos theta with the vector with which the angle alpha is not. So then a sin theta, what is a? 25 and into sin 90 by b 60 plus 25 into cos 90. So it is 25 because sin 90 has value 1, 60 plus this is 0. So tan alpha is equal to, and alpha is equal to tan inverse 25 by 60. So we found both magnitude of direction. One thing what we have remembered, that the sin theta and cos theta is right with the vector from which alpha is not from, with which alpha angle is not from. Here alpha angle is not formed with vector a, so we have written a sin theta and a cos theta. This point we should remember always. So that guys, that's all for today. Thank you very much.